Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be looking at this fabric and see what can be used for for project. I will also do another videos for each one what project I completed with. So for this particular fabric, I like the print so much, so I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and create a nice purse with it. It's not as stretchy, and you can see in the picture there are so many variety of purse that you can design for this fabric. For this one, it's a very eye-catchy for the kids, so I'll go to visit pencil cases, and you can also mix and match between two fabric like I'm showing you in the picture. So this one I'll be creating pencil cases with it. For this one, it's obviously baby clothes, so I'll do some pips with it, or baby pants as well. This one I can see it fit on a button-up shirt. I'll do a video on how we can do this as well. For this one, it's really good match for a Christmas pajamas. It's very nice print, and it can go for unisex, boys or girls as well. Again, this one is also a Christmas pajamas, and it's very nice, so it can go as well as unisex for boys and girls. So this one, again, it's a one fabric that I bought two, and it's for purses, and this one for the Christmas, and this for the button-up shirt, and this for baby clothes. And for this one, I said it's going to be a pencil case, and this one will be for purse. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe. I will be doing some videos on how to use this fabric. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to thumb up and share the video if you like, and see you next time.